Please excuse my messy, dusty dash. Hey guys, it's Shane. I wanted to show you, maybe it's a hidden feature of the Crosstrek infotainment system. A couple people on Facebook and groups I have seen ask if they can change the display on the Crosstrek's touchscreen, and in fact you can, and I will show you how. So I've seen some people ask if they can change the background to the display, to the touchscreen. I don't know that you can put a custom image on there without maybe jailbreaking the system, but you can change this background. So my car is a 2021 Subaru Crosstrek with the 6-inch display, and I found this by going to your home button, go to settings, go down to driver profile, click, if you have your name here, click on whatever your profile is, go to edit. This is where you can rename your profile. I'm just going to keep it Shane. That's my iPhone. It is connected. So again, skip this, go to next. And here's your wallpaper. So you have different wallpapers. That's the defaults, like some clouds and night sky. There's some mountains, some oceans, some rocks, northern lights, some different colors. I'm just going to choose maybe this metal finish. Hit next, finish, X out of that, go back home. There it is. There's the metal finish, and before it was the night sky with the some clouds here in the corner. But if I go back to my apps, I was listening to Pandora. There it is. Now, did you know that you could do this on your car? I'm sure different versions, different models, different years have different settings. Again, I don't know that you can put custom artwork on there. If you can, drop it in the comments below. Help a friend out. But I don't know, maybe it was a hidden feature for you. Let me know what you think.